think buying a home in Florida is all sunshine, beaches, and easy living? Well, not so fast. Hidden costs are lurking behind that dream home, like homeowner insurance, taxes, and homeowner association fees, or I call them HOA fees, that can make a real dent in your monthly housing budget. When I initially sit down and speak to buyers and I start calculating these costs, most of them are shocked at some of the costs that they're going to have to pay. So stick with me, because in the next few minutes I will break down the real cost of buying a Florida home. And trust me, you'll want to know this before you get too far down the road with making Florida your next home. When buying a home in Florida, especially on the Treasure Coast, there's so much more to think about than just the price of the home. Sure, Florida's known for its sunny weather, gorgeous beaches, but if you plan to settle here, you've got to know the real numbers. So for instance, as of October 2024, our median price of a single family home is $578,000. And while we don't have a state income tax, the monthly cost of owning a home is rising fast due to skyrocketing homeowners insurance premiums, property taxes, which are calculated upon the assessed value of your home, and those ever-present HOA fees. Buyers often overlook these hidden costs, and they can add up quickly and be very costly. Most times, buyers are only thinking of the cost of principal and interest of their loan because interest rates have continually gone up over the last 3.5 years. If you're new to my channel, I'm Maria Wells, and I've been helping people buy and sell homes here on the Treasure Coast for years. So whether you're looking at Stuart, Jensen Beach, Hutchinson Island, or Palm City, I'm here to help you make the smartest decisions with your real estate investments. Have questions? Well, drop them below, and I promise I will get right back to you. Let's dive right into the first hidden cost, which is homeowners insurance. Florida is no stranger to hurricanes, so insurance premiums here are high. But here's what many people don't know. Those sky-high insurance rates, not because of storm damage. There was a lot of fraud of homeowners wanting insurance companies to replace their roofs for free, and if the insurance company said no, they would file suit, and who do you think that cost? All of us. Well, now there is legislation to correct this, and we are starting to see more carriers come into Florida, which will reduce our price. You may want to watch this video to understand a little bit more about how we got into this insurance crisis. Even though our homeowner insurance rates are starting to come down, it can run you thousands of dollars annually more than what you expected. And don't forget, basic homeowners insurance doesn't cover flood insurance, which is another expense to factor in, especially in flood-prone areas, which is most of Florida. Many of you may have heard me say, if you have a Florida driver's license, you're in a flood zone. Even if you're not right on the water, flood insurance might be required, and it can stretch your budget further than you planned, and that just covers property insurance and flood insurance. So now let's talk about property taxes. While Florida offers the benefit of no state income tax, property taxes are still very real. And here in high-priced areas like Stuart, Jensen Beach, or Palm City, they can be substantial. Property taxes are based on a home's assessed value, which means they rise every year because property values have risen. If the current owner has lived there for years, they may have taken advantage of our homestead tax benefit, keeping their taxes lower than what you will pay when you first purchase that home. Because what will happen is if it has been homesteaded, that is lifted, and you will be paying full assessed value for the first year you're here until you can qualify for the homestead tax exemption. You may want to look at this video, which will explain more about the benefits of the homestead tax exemption here in Florida. If you've got an ocean or golf course view or any type of water view, that tax bill is going to reflect those gorgeous sights. Then there are the HOA fees. Many communities on the Treasure Coast, particularly those with amenities like pools, golf courses, or even just pristinely maintained streets, come with a hefty HOA fee. You might be looking anywhere from $300 a month to $600 a month, and sometimes a lot more. Well, these fees can cover everything from taking care of your landscaping, or maybe just the common area landscaping, security, to maintenance and repairs. So it's crucial to know what's included in that fee before before you jump in. I have seen buyers caught off guard by these fees after thinking they finally found their dream home. The bottom line is this: buying a home in Florida isn't just about the purchase price, the mortgage and interest rate, view, and location. There are hidden costs like homeowners insurance, property taxes, and HOA fees that can stack up quickly. But here's the good news. Understanding these costs up front means you can plan, budget, and avoid nasty surprises down the road. And that's where I come in, or any realtor that you would hire. I've guided countless buyers through these challenges, and I can help you navigate them too. If you're considering buying a home in Florida, especially here on the Treasure Coast, reach out to me. I'll help you break down the true cost of home ownership so you can make an informed, good decision. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I've got plenty more tips and insider knowledge coming your way to help you make your real estate journey a smooth one. Let's go to this video for more information about this terrific area. Until then, stay sunny.